No Docker on this Linux box?
Start with the missing command. Podman is not installed yet, so update apt and install the Podman package from Ubuntu repositories. Then run podman -- version. That proves the command is on path and ready. Podman gets interesting because you can run containers as your normal user.
Check the current user ID, inspect Podman's rootless mode, and confirm there is no Docker daemon step in this flow. Now run a real container.
Pull it-nginx alpine from Docker Hub, publish it on port 8080, list the running container, and curl localhost. The HTTP response proves networking and the container runtime both work. If your muscle memory types Docker, make the shell call Podman. Add an alias for this session, run docker ps, and see the same container. This is useful for simple commands, but still test real projects because Podman is not always a perfect drop-in replacement. Final cleanup and verification, stop the container, list images, and check Podman's disk usage. Now you have a rootless container workflow that installed cleanly, ran it-nginx, answered curl, and cleaned up.